Good day, friends. Welcome once again to Isaac Mathematics Clinic. In my last video, I explained various methods of solving quadratic equations. So one of such methods is the one we want to discuss today, and that method is completing the square. Completing the square. So there is a question on the board that we want to use based on this method. Now, before I explain how to use completing the square method, I want to introduce you to a principle that discusses how we can make an expression to become a perfect square. How we can make an expression to become a perfect square. For instance, expressions such as x minus 2, x minus 2 is called a perfect square. So if I have an equation like this, x squared plus 5x, then I want to make it of this format, that is a perfect square. So what do I need to add to it so as to make a perfect square? So the simplest method of doing that is to find half of the coefficient of x here. What is half of the coefficient of x? And that is 1 over 2 times 5. 1 over 2 times 5. The coefficient of x is 5, so half of it is 1 over 2 times 5, and that is 5 over 2. Now, if I square this 5 over 2, that will give us 5 over 2 all squared. So if I add this 5 over 2 all squared to this equation, we are going to get a perfect square. Now let's confirm it. X squared plus 5x plus 5 over 2 all squared is the same thing as x squared plus 5x plus 5 times 5, 25, all over 2 times 2, 4, so 25 all over 4. So if I multiply 2 by 4, because of this denominator, and say 4 times x squared, that will give us 4x squared, plus 4 times 5x, that will give us 20x, plus 4 times 25 over 4. 4 will cancel 4, then we'll be left with 25. So I want to apply factorization method to factorize this expression. So 4 times 25, that is equal to 100. What two numbers can I multiply to get 100? And if I add those two numbers, I will get 20. Definitely the numbers are 10 and 10. 10 times 10 will give us 100. 10 plus 10 will give us 20. So this now becomes 4x squared plus 10x plus 25. Then we can group this in, this becomes 4x squared plus 10x plus 10x plus 25. Then we can group it into 2's. 2 and x are the common factors here. So the common factor is 2x. Bracket 4x squared divided by 2x, that will give us 2x, plus 10x divided by 2x, that will give us 5. And plus the highest common factor here is 5. 10x divided by 5 is equal to 2x, plus 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Then this is now equal to 2x plus 5, a common one here. Then the combination of these 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. So if you take a look at this expression, this is a perfect square. So what did I add to x squared plus 5x to get this perfect square is 5/2 all square. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or follow my Facebook page, like, watch and share. Thank you.